Hi guys, we're back with another Minecraft video today, and what just happened? Whoa, that's cool. It's a glitch. And today we're gonna be on a hunt for diamonds. Yes, you heard me. On a hunt for diamonds. And this is a very special video because we have audio. Oh, by the way, if you guys were wondering why I had this much iron, well, that's just because it was Easter. It was a gift from whoever it was. And yeah, OMG. There's a dog. And there's a bone right here. Oh my god. How lucky can you get? Doggy, don't go away. Where did it go? No. Okay. 2 bones. Oh my god. It only took 1. That's lucky. I'm the luckiest person on earth. Oh my god. I just caught a dog. I mean tamed a dog. Oh. Come on. Come here. What should I name you? I'm gonna name you... I'm not actually sure yet. I'll think about it. Well, anyway, we're on a hunt for diamonds. We're hunting for diamonds today. So yeah, let's get all our supplies. We don't need that. Nope. We don't need that either. Oh my god. Do you guys reckon that we need an axe while we're gonna mine? No. Oh yeah. I'm thinking of doing is just making a bucket. Then with this bucket, I'm gonna get water. Oh, there's water. I'm scared that the mobs will come out. How should we get the water? It's on a hill. Okay. I hear zombies. Yep, I'm going in. Wait, but if I don't get this... Yeah, I got it. Okay, let's... is that a zombie? Let's just rush. Let's just rush to our house. Where's our house? No. Did I get lost? No. Oh, there it is. Let's just rush home. Come on. Oh, yes. Made it just in time. Okay, we got ourselves a bucket. With water, of course. And I don't need that. Oh, I hate that sound. The sound of the zombies is creepy. We need more chests. Do we have wood? What? We do not have wood. Are you kidding me? Does that mean I have to go out there? Oh my god, there's a mini zombie. You have no idea how strong that is. Pro Minecraft people do. But that is strong. Stronger. Well, that is called a baby zombie. But it is stronger than a regular zombie. I have no idea why, but it is. This is getting really creepy, guys. Oh, I thought that was just a mob. Look. Yeah. Oh, whatever. We have, what should we do? There's a baby zombie out there that's gonna kill us, and we don't have enough wood. Oh, yeah we do. So stupid. I'm so sorry, guys. I just had it in my hand. Okay. Let's craft ourselves a chest. Like that. Yep. There it is. A nice brand new chest. Let's put it right there. Yep. Awesome. Now we don't need seeds. We don't need this. We don't need this much torches. We don't need bones. And I think we should get one more pickaxe actually. A stone one. Let's craft ourselves one. We need we need 2 sticks. We got 4, but we're only gonna use 2. Then boom, boom, boom. Stone pickaxe. Then let's go and put it back. Nah, I reckon we won't need dirt. Let's just sort this out, guys. Sword here, pickaxe there. Just wooden pickaxe there. Do that. Yeah, let's just do that. So it's easier to get ourselves. Okay, let's go search for diamonds, guys. Okay. I really need diamonds. Like for armor, stuff like that. Well, the first diamond I ever find, I'm thinking just not crafting it. Just put it, maybe I'll just make a museum one day and then say, Matthew TC's first diamond ever. Oh, I kind of remember I found a cave. Like all the way here. Yeah, told you. A cave. A wonderful cave. Yeah. Let's find diamonds. I remember that's where I found redstone. Okay, crouch. Let's crouch, guys. Oh, there's more redstone actually. Let's get that. Yeah, we got 5 redstone. Just redstone. That's redstone ore. But we got 5 out of it. Pretty lucky. Let's see if we can find some diamonds near the lava. Oh, iron ore. Every piece of iron will count. Every piece of valuable thing. Like, let's say you run across iron, and it's like, you don't care. You just leave it. But what I do, I just take it. I don't know. I can't resist. It's valuable. Okay. This is a lot of lava, guys. Where does this take us to? Oh yeah, here. Let's put a torch. Yeah. And let's just find more diamonds, I guess. Seriously, so far no diamonds. I seen on YouTube people find diamonds in 2 minutes. Like literally 2 minutes. And what? it has taken me an hour. Like, they don't even set it up. Like, they're just spawned to the world, and then they just find diamonds in 2 more minutes. It's like a speed run. And I think we'll wrap it up for this video, guys. Bye.